forgot to put the function notation preset in here. So remember that's if you have f of x is like absolute value of x plus 2, and then if you say f of 3, let's say f of negative 3, then that's just going to be absolute value of negative 3 plus 2. So absolute value of negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So that's going to be equal to 1. So f of negative 3 is 1. Same thing when you have the rational functions. So f of x equals, let's say, x divided by x plus 2. And say your f is 3. Then that's going to be 3 over 3 plus 2, which is f of 3 is 3 over 5. So that's how those work. Then I'll go over some of these solvings. There's 3 levels with the solvings. So absolute value. With absolute value, once you get to this point, you split it into a negative and a positive. So these are your answers. That's it. So same thing here. So I'm going to split this. This is going to be x plus 1 equals 5. Actually, negative 5. And then x plus 1 equals 5. So x equals negative 6 and x equals 4. When you have things on the outside, here let's make this one a little bit more complicated. Let's do plus 10. Okay. This keyboard go away. Here we go. So what I'll do here is I'll subtract 10. So you have 2x minus 8 equals 70. Divide by 2, you get x minus 8 equals 35. So from here, now I can split it up. So that's x minus 8 equals negative 35, and x minus 8 equals positive 35. So that's going to be x equals, okay, negative 35 plus 8 is negative 27? And then this one's going to be 35 plus 8 is 43. That's how these work. So for your answer blanks, you'll put negatives, like for this one, you put negative 27 in the first blank and then 43 in the second blank. So that's absolute value. For the rational, this is cross multiplying. Hopefully you remember this a little bit. You cross multiply these. Wow, I forgot to put an x over here. Okay, well, pretend this is an x right here. So that's going to be 6 times 4 equals 3 times x. So 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times x is 3x. Divide by 3, you get 8 equals x. Okay, when you have binomials like this, that's going to be 4x plus 1 equals 2 times 12. So distribute this. 4x plus 4 equals 24. Minus 4, you get 20, and then x equals 5. Ta-da! Okay, so this last one has a binomial and an x on top. So you'll go about it the same way. 4 and 2x plus 3. So 4, 2x plus 3 equals 7 times x. So distribute this, you get 8x plus 12 equals 7x. So what I'm going to do is move this over here because I don't want to have to deal with the negative. So x plus 12 equals 0, and then minus 12. X equals negative 12. There's that one. All right, that's it.